Hi, today I will explain what is Geo. Geo means Generative Engine Optimizations. Okay, people are say what is Geo, how to do, and there is lots of question and they are confused. And nowadays, why Geo is important? Okay, when you are search Google like something you are know something, that's why you are search. After that, Google are showing AI overview, and that is the main reason. When before times you are search something, then Google will show websites step one by one websites, and then our user or our audience are click our website, then our website is get the impressions and click, and after day by day our website is left. But nowadays the overview is the make a create a problem. When you search something like I show now a few times ago I will all things of like I'm search how to rank my website on Google, then Google will show overview. But before time when you search something, then this time this area to all things are show, but nowadays AI show the search in AI overview. Okay, why important now you are say sorry listen, actually generative engine optimization is AI trend. Like you are search now lots of people are search in the ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is the human specific AI writing tool or AI collecting tool. Then when your website is ranked but it is impossible, well I am click the show more, then Google are explain all things step by step, but I show the some things like here. Okay, and this, sorry, let me change the color. Okay, and this and these icons, this is the website. And sidebar, when you are search something, then sidebar Google are will show the result in website. Like you are click this link, then show to both two links, then this click this link, then these three website Google show. Actually this content is the collected in AI tools are these types of website. Like you want to rank your content in Google, then you need to be right now trust your website, trust or the content and real life use and properly use. And before few times or sometimes ago, then human writing and Google's and user are labs, these types of content Google's are nowadays labs, and then that's why we need to be Geo. Okay, now others or one example I will explain you. Actually Geo is the how to do Geo. Geo is the AI over AI thinking, and actually your content is human writing, not plagiarized, and here you are use real life and properly write this content, then Google's are love and others AI tool love. After that they are collect this content, and then after that show the overview, then you can you can tell then my website is not getting impressions, traffic, oil notorious. When I search this how to do rank my website in Google, then Google will show overview. But like I am SEO specialist and or go like when you are search something how to do SEO, then Google will show. Then after that Google will show sometime links, and these links are when I publish my experience, expertise, authority, trustworthy, that means EAT. Then Google's are love this EAT. Then Google are always talk, and they are nowadays they are follow to the trust and authority. And when my content is real, I am professional SEO specialist, then Google are show there is overview. After there my websites is this show that this link. And when Google are show about this, then increase my brand. When my audience are not click my website not only, but there looks my brand name, then they are remember and any times and they are click this my website, then after that my brand is grow. This is the main focusing our goal, and this is the gains. Then I hope everyone is understand. But now you are what to do, your website is properly trustworthy, then good contents, and when Google's or other AI bots quickly understand and people understand, and this is very important and like ready state, then your website content is shortly and briefly you are showing, but then Google's other bots are quickly understand. That's it. Thank you. I hope everyone is understand, and after classes I will show the geo class and EO SXO others classes, because now times they are tending, it is not dead, it is just involving day by day. I hope everyone is understand, and tomorrow I will show practically how to do day by day. I will show. Thank you so much watching my videos.